6 of the supplementary affidavit. It reads as follows: whereas I was not aware about the relationship between the Honorable Justice Rima, who is among the three judges handling this matter, and the fourth respondent, that is Kingi, it has been brought to my attention that the Honorable Judge and the fourth respondent, Speaker of the Senate, are very close friends as demonstrated as here under. 1, the respondent attended the wedding ceremony of the judge and he took a photograph with him. In a post on social media, he indicated. I thought I should finish.
May I say something? May I say something?
Yes.
The position of the man is friend was actually I have taken in my humble submission for small support. We are not here to destroy profession. Disclosing some of the details will not be the right thing to say. I think one should make a reference in a practical manner, which the Lordship will be able to appreciate of what is going on. I would especially say to you that this is an area where we have also to protect the judiciary and the judges and the managers and the judicial officers. I'm not very sure that we should have an in-depth account of what really one is considering.
Thank you, Dr. Kamino.
Let me explain that, my Lord. There is a new affidavit that has just come online that contains some of these allegations. It wasn't there before, and that's why we saw it. Now, you may proceed.
My Lord, I think I agree with Dr. Kaminwa that unless, because as I say, I am not the source of any of this information or something that came to my knowledge, that I was sticking to what my learned colleague is talking about, unless there is insistence by my learned colleague. My Lord, I do not see the value of that insistence and follow Dr. Kaminwa's position. It is stated in the affidavit. I will not say anything more on that. The respondents can say we can have a rejoinder when the issue arises. My Lord, and the problem with these issues of somebody not continuing what they are saying is that you keep forgetting the last point. The last point, my Lord, I think that I was making is this. That at the heart of an application for recusal, the authority speaks themselves, the one we have cited, I will not have time to go through them, is these issues that are considered very important. Number one would be whether, on the basis of the accusation and apprehension set up, would one party feel that their right to fair trial before an independent, impartial, and fair tribunal be upheld? The petitioners on that score are saying their right under Article 50 to fair hearing, which is absolute, would not be possible in the circumstances of this case. Number two, there is a question of the right to protection of law under our Constitution. That right to protection of law requires that for it to be protected, there must not be any doubt that that protection would be availed if it is deserved in accordance with the law. The petitioners again say they have reasons to believe, as a result of all matters taken into account, that their rights under Article 27 is stand. My Lord, the final issue, it could not really have been final, but I have to finish. My Lord, the final issue that is critically important for this issue is the old notion, the old principle that justice must not only be done, but must actually be seen to be done. In the circumstances of this case, it is our submission that apart from the real issues that the petitioners had, the weather perceptions, whether